Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we have an unboxing video of the Pixracer R15 Autopilot. The Pixracer R15 Autopilot retains the functionality of the original Pixhawk while adding even more features. Inside the box, you'll find an ESP8266 module, which makes Wi-Fi updates easier, and it comes with the latest Autopilot ESP8266 firmware. This new firmware provides a user-friendly web interface, supports Mavlink 2, and simplifies future updates through the web interface. It also comes with an SD card reader to be used with the micro SD card in the flight controller. The main item, the Pixracer R15 Autopilot, is equipped with upgraded accelerometers, gyroscopes, a magnetometer, and complies with RHS standards. It is size optimized, offering an ideal number of inputs and outputs, and can switch between a comprehensive autopilot system and a high-performance racing platform. The microprocessor specifications are 32-bit STM32F427 Cortex-M4 core with FPU Rev 3. The external memory specifications include FRAM Cypress MF25V02, G 256-bit non-volatile memory and an SD card slot with an 8GB SanDisk micro SD card. Adapter included. Additionally, the box includes the following cables: I2C cable, GPS cable, safety switch and buzzer. FRS cable, serial cable, power cable. There is also a 3M adhesive tape, M8 and GPS. .3M sticker, power module, and a GPS mount. That's everything inside the box. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more, stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.